3 clams for a basket. Look at these lovely apples, dear.
I got one, Mama.
That's a strong little helper you have there.
What a good helper you have there.
He certainly is. Here are the 3 fish coins. Look, Mom, I got the last one.
Look at all the colors, Mother.
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Fresh vegetables. Get them while they last.
This is the best fruit chaat in the park.
I know! I can't wait to try the mango!
Look how fast they are scooping it.
This is absolutely wonderful.
I know, the flavor is amazing.
Freshest cuts in the whole market, right here.
I'll take 2 pounds of the thigh meat, thank you.
Coming right up.
This is the freshest chicken in the whole market.
It looks delicious. Let's get some for dinner.
Here is your freshly made shawarma. Thank you very much. Here is your change.
welcome. So glad you could make it tonight.
To the best food in the forest, cheers!
Here is your hearty vegetable stew. Enjoy your meal, folks.
This place is wonderful. The food is amazing.
And the service is excellent too.